melting heart, Anahatasana. Very close sounding to Anahata, which is your heart chakra. And that's because this is opening up the whole chest, opening up the heart, and it's a really, really lovely posture. I love it. So let's begin. So if you have any knee injuries, you can, well, if you have any knee injuries, I would say maybe refrain from doing this posture. But if, like I've got a bit of a pain in my knee, but if I have something soft underneath, then it's fine for them. So this posture I can do quite well with a blanket. But we're going to be going forward, arms outstretched, and really opening up the chest. So I'm going to start in tabletop. Just take a nice few rounds of breath here. You want to just open up the spine, open up the movement. Do whatever movements feel good. A bit of cat-cow here. Link up with your breath. Inhale, look up. Exhale, round through. Inhale. And exhale. Then come to a neutral spine. Now, got my hips over my knees here. For Yin, I don't like to get too hung up on perfect alignment. It's more about how you feel. But if you just want to use it as a bit of a benchmark, just to make sure that you know that you can, where there is to go in the posture. So, and then very gently, I'm just going to drop down onto my forearms. Take the arms out the width of the mat. And then I'm just going to stretch forward and my forehead on the mat. If this is unachievable, then introduce a pillow. Prop yourself up. If the mat was too far away and you need a prop to go underneath your forehead, then go for it. Do whatever feels good for you. So again, I just use my hips over my knees just as a starting point, and then I'm just going to walk forward. And instantly I feel more supported because the pillow is taking my chest. So my chest isn't just floating. Drop, and like I said, you want to have a block underneath your forehead. As you come down, just rest the forehead. If that feels good, then stay here. Wherever you may be, just make sure that you're comfortable and that you feel supported either by props or the earth. If you have your face down towards the mat, if you want to intensify the stretch across the chest, then you can look forward, have the chin on the mat, and have the eyes closed off, put your gaze forward. So you can explore that way. Or if you want to open up, rotate the arms externally, and so that the palms are facing upwards. And then notice how that changes the stretch on the shoulders. and on the inside of the arms. So these are just variations for you. You don't have to do them all. That's the purpose of this video, is to just give you your options. So just explore, see where feels good for you, and where you think is your first point of tension. Find your edge. This is really good for opening at the chest, opening at the shoulders, working the shoulder joints. And just allow gravity to do its thing. Which means if you need to remove props along the way because gravity is taken over, then just go with the flow. But just make sure that you don't push yourself to any point of pain. Just connect with the breath, and if at any point this gets too much, you have two options. You can push yourself forward, slide on the belly, come through into Sphinx, or push the bum back. If that works, walk the hands back, and then come into a child's pose. I prefer the child's pose option to come out of that posture just because it's so nice on the spine. Feel the release on the shoulders. And then very gently, use the palm of the arms, plant the palms, and just push yourself back up. Vertebra by vertebra, head coming up last. Find a nice seated, comfortable position. So that was how you do melting heart. I hope that was okay. Obviously I had my face down, so I don't know whether or not it was easy to understand, whether or not you get the gist of it, but just let me know. Any feedback is really good. I'd love to hear from you. That was really good for opening up all your meridians, sending in the chest, sending through fresh new energy. Like I said, I really love that posture. So let me know what you think. And next time I'm going to be putting the last three postures. So caterpillar, supported bridge, and now melting heart into a little sequence. So they'll flow into each other. So I'd love it if you